So today I'm about to show you guys how I'm about to create some fire kicks on here. This is inspired by Mickey Mouse and Donald McScrooge. But let's get it. You see that preview? I'm about to show you how I do this though. So first, let's go ahead and get these shoes laces taken off. Then we're gonna have to cut the Nike check. You see? Take that bad boy off of there, right there. This is studs back in the day, but I don't recommend just burning that. I recommend taking the actual laces out of it. This is an old video, but I'm about to redo it because you guys didn't see this before, so I'm still showing how to do this. Spraying the base coat on there with flat white and just direct. Link will be below to all the products I use in this video, but you see the sketches. So you're just sketching, you can use any mechanical pencil. We're getting this all sketched up on here. I recommend 2 to 3 coats. I went in with the pale blue, but I mixed a little bit of flat white with this just to add that, translucent look. Look at that satisfying pull right there, boy. Jeez. I always love satisfying pulls. But that's the flat black from Angelus. Let me know what other type of characters you guys think I should do in the comments below. Because I would love to do like this type of style again where I take away the eyes, and add that like look. Work is almost inspired by like calls. Going in with the fire red, be able to get the mouth up in there. I ain't gonna lie, I hope this video is as satisfying as me editing it, as you guys watching this, providing y'all with this content. But I'm about to be dropping more videos for y'all. Got a lot on the way. We about to be growing. I'm gonna have to show y'all some of the merch too, of the nation, because you guys, you feel me? We gotta be representing out there the right way when we step it, because we gotta be different out here. And it's the whole reason that we got into this business, and the whole reason we love shoes. Like, this is art and fashion. This is what life is made of. That clean pull again, my boy. Go ahead and do it. And the tips to make sure like you get clean pulls when you paint, and try to hold your breath when you right before you get to pull in those lines. It helps you out 10 times better. Go and get that cleaned up and up in there. Go and get that cleaned up. Just wait till y'all see the finished product. You already seen it before, but y'all about to see. Oh, hold on. This part right here. Come on now. Tell me that ain't satisfying. Tell me that ain't satisfying. Go ahead and give a boy a like for that. We're gonna have to fill that on up. Y'all can use white forces on theirs. Y'all can use black forces. My client, he has some red forces, and he's like, bro, Stinky, add your touch to these. I said, I got you, my boy. But I'm definitely gonna make a YouTube video on that too, because it's much needed. I gotta show the nation this. I gotta show them behind the scenes how it was created. Look at the I typically use like a 0 round brush, like a detail brush to pull these lines right here, you know. Some people use like nail techs, they got type of brushes. I don't like to use theirs, but I get my brushes from like Hobby Lobby, Angelus. But y'all know in the future, I'm gonna be having my own brushes. What should we call them? The nation pool? I really said the nation pool. No, it's gonna be called discipline, because you're gonna have to have discipline when you use my brushes. We ain't playing that over there. We got clean lines over here. Clean lines. And you can manage your line weight, like different types of strokes. You can have like thicker lines or thinner lines, but like I typically use the thinner lines when I'm trying to make it like hair, like almost like it's far away, you know what I'm saying, in the background. My boy McScrews begin to that cheddar. Look at that. Satisfying. Satisfying. Now this is the inside part on the forces, but you know I gotta apply the drip. You know I gotta apply the drip. This looks so fire on feet. Then we're gonna just fill that all in, and then after that we're gonna fill in a Nike check, and then we are about like 80% done with these bad boys. Stay tuned for another video. I'm gonna have a video link after on the next drop. Probably next week after this video drop, you're gonna see another video drop. But make sure you follow all my socials on Instagram at StinkyNation_. YouTube, you know, you already here. If you had not subscribed already, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm giving too much game out here for you not to be subscribed to your boy. You feel me? And that helps me out so much. But I use my stencil cutter right there. If y'all need stencils, let me know, because I can just have them where y'all can download them digitally, or y'all can be able to, if y'all need me to cut them and send them to you, your boy can do that too. You know what I'm saying? The link in the description would be down below, where you can email your boy and just let me know what you need. Or if you want some custom shoes, you just like watching this, you know, your boy can get you right, so you can have something in your collection too as well. So just let me know. You know what I mean? Oh, look at that right there. I see blue. We applying the drips. Like what I tend to do to get this drips, I just paint everything regular. Then I take that same color, do a base coat of white first, and then I add that drip to that boy. Right here, the tip for here is, like everybody always asks me what I do. I add Angelus 2 Soft with the paint 1-to-1, and it helps it blend so good into that like nylon or whatever it is. Pretty sure. If you make any mistakes, just take a Q-tip, wet it a little bit in some water and drop it. But look at these. Look at these. Tell your boy how you feeling. Tell me I ain't kid him. Tell me I didn't. Now, if that was a painting, your boy would be in the gallery. Stop playing. I'm about to start dropping paintings too. Y'all gonna see some videos of me painting actual canvases, doing all different types of art. Probably gonna make some like tables, some canvases, do some. Just subscribe. Stay tuned.